Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by unpairing the Apple Watch from its current Apple ID so you can connect a different account. First, make sure the watch has at least 50% battery and is near your iPhone with Bluetooth on. This prevents interruptions. Next, open the Watch app, select the watch, and choose Unpair Apple Watch. This creates a backup and removes activation lock when you enter the Apple ID password. Once done, confirm the backup completed so your data can be restored later. Once the watch is erased, you'll prepare the iPhone for the different Apple ID. First, sign out of the current Apple ID in iPhone settings, and then sign in using the new Apple ID credentials. This ensures iCloud, Health, and Activity Sync to the correct account. Now open the Watch app and begin pairing. Hold the watch near the iPhone and follow on-screen pairing animation. Choose Restore from Backup if you want previous settings, or Setup as new if you prefer a clean start. To finish, complete the setup prompts. Configure passcode, Apple Pay, and health permissions so activity and data sync to the new Apple ID. Make sure apps and watch faces sync. This can take a few minutes. Verify the watch is listed under your iCloud account, and in Find My So activation lock is tied to the new ID. If activation lock still appears, double-check the old account was removed. If it wasn't, contact Apple support with proof of purchase as your key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.